Hi guys, Brenda here with Cedar and Steam. I can't believe that it is Easter weekend coming up here. I wanted to do a quick video here just on how to do the either lemongrass or essential oil face cloths that you can use at home after your breathing practices, before and after your face massages that we've been doing, or even some of those yoga or workout practices at home. I did a live video a couple weeks ago now, but for some reason I was new to it and it didn't save. And I've had some requests, so I'm going to do it over again here. So what you need to do is get some face cloths here prepped. I'm gonna do 6 because I'm doing yoga tonight and I know that. So I'm gonna use 1 tonight for sure, and then I'm definitely gonna be doing some spa stuff over Easter weekend. So I want a few ready to go. I always put mine in a container with a lid in the fridge. A sealed lid as well that you can actually seal off from any of the food that you guys have at home. You don't want to absorb any other smells into the face cloths other than the essential oil. And then I'm gonna be doing lavender essential oil face cloths because I kind of feel like it suits Easter weekend. You can do, I know a lot of people getting into the springtime oils like grapefruit, lemon, that sort of thing. Lemon's also, tea tree is also really good for antibacterial. So any of those will work, or you can do the traditional lemongrass face cloth as well. So for this, what you need is the face cloth, the essential oil, and some water. So I'm going to fill the sink here behind with some hot water. We've got some hot water here, so we just want to get it filled up. And you just want to have enough water that the oil, basically, and the face cloth are just covered by the water. Otherwise, you're just wasting oil, basically, and water. Now, I find putting a few drops of the essential oil into the water and almost giving a little bit of a swirl just to make sure that it's kind of mixed into the water. And you don't want the essential oil too strong. I find that each oil has a different potency, basically, or strength. So with the lavender, I find it quite strong. So I only do about 3 drops, and that is plenty just to cover the face cloths here with the water. And like I said, give it a little bit of a swirl, because otherwise when you drop the face cloths in, they'll kind of just grab, the first one will grab all the oil, so you want it mixed in. So grab all your face cloths, okay? So I've got the 6 here, and we're just putting them in the water. Whew, I can smell that lavender. And then if you need to, top up the water a little bit more just to make sure you're covering the top of those face cloths. Perfect. Now you can let it sit and give it a little bit of time. So if you're prepping them ahead of time for like a yoga or a workout or something that you know that you're doing, maybe do them in the morning, and then roll them, get them into the fridge, get them nice and cold before you use them. Otherwise, like you said, you got them in hot water, so they're not gonna be ready to use like right away unless you had to. I'll kind of give you a little close up here just of how much water I've got. So just enough on there just to cover basically the face cloths. All right, so once the face cloths have been sitting for a little bit, you want to wring them out, but you don't want them so wet that they are dripping, and you don't want them so dry that they don't hold the moisture, basically. So I'm just going to grab some out of here, and you just want to wring it so that if you, I'll show you closely, basically if I went like this tight enough that there would be some squish, almost like a sponge. You kind of want to hear the water in it, so that's perfect. And then I find rolling them, basically putting them right in half. Okay, so this is how to roll them. I always find put them right in half and then do them nice and tight like that. And then get them into your bin, and you kind of just want to layer them nice up against each other there. All right, guys, so that's it for the face cloths. Pretty easy to do. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll post this on our YouTube channel so you can watch it over and over and over again, or leave comments if you have questions. It's pretty easy to follow. We do have a contest going on for Easter right now as well. So hopefully you spotted or were on the hunt for this video for the egg. Good luck, everyone. You basically win a drop-in sauna and steam session, and we'll announce the winner at the end of the Easter long weekend on Monday. Happy Easter, guys.